Hi guys, welcome to my channel. What are we doing today? We are frying buns. Yes, we are frying buns. And the things I'm using evaporated milk. You can use any type of milk you like, but I prefer the evaporated milk. It enrich the snacks. Yes, it enrich it. I'm using sugar, butter, that's self-rising flour as well, and I'm also using eggs and vegetable oil which I will use to fry the buns. Yes, please follow me, kindly comment on my page, kindly like, kindly subscribe. Your subscription, your comments, your likes, your share keeps me going. I love you guys. Please, as you can see, this is one of my way of making my home buns. Yes, if you have other way, you can share it in the comment section. Let's learn together. Yeah, let's learn together. Yes, now I'm going to pack these snacks for a friend. Yes, I'm actually making it for a friend. Yeah, because she actually said that she help her with it. That's why I'm doing this. Yes. Wow, look at this. You can see the difference of using the evaporated milk and any other mix. The difference is totally clear. Yes. It's totally different. So I'm adding our evaporated milk with egg that I've already mixed. I'm adding into the flour. As you can see, I mixed the sugar, the flour, and the butter. I mix them together before adding this. Then I'm going to mix it together. Before we know it, oh, our buns is ready. Yes, it is ready. I can't wait to have a taste before giving it. I can't wait to have a taste. Yeah, I can't wait to have a taste. Wow, see? Wow. You have to remember it is deep frying. Yes, it is deep frying when you're frying your buns. It has to be deep frying. Yes, wow. Our buns is almost ready. Wow, this is so nice. Please comment, like, subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.